Alright, pleasant good night. What we have here before us is a N16 Almera giving some starting problems. So what we're going to do is simple, a voltage drop test to see if it have any voltage being used on the wires as opposed to everything being used by the starter. So we just hook up there, we checking. We have battery voltage 12.9. We're just making sure that that's correct. And we go and check the voltage drop on the positive side. So we leaving the positive lead on the positive battery pole. And we taking the negative lead and we clipping it on the positive part of the positive lead on the starter. So we'll check the voltage drop on the positive side. We're supposed to get 0 ideally, but we're aiming for nothing more than half a volt. Alright, I'm just trying to clip this wire here. As long as my big hand could fit and I get it to clip. Alright, so my big hand fit. I will try and see if I could send the phone camera to show where. Right. I'm gonna see if I could show where it clipped. Right, it clip on the positive wire on the starter solenoid. And we're going in at the customer crank and we're going and see how much the voltage is across the yeah. Right, so voltage drop good on the positive side. Yeah, switch off. So what we're going to do now is check the voltage drop on the negative side. And if the voltage drop on both sides good, well then we're looking at the brushes might be the problem. And the sad thing is the customer unfortunately had a mechanic change brushes recently. Probably didn't even make a 5 days. Probably didn't even make her 5 days. So we're gripping this here on the starter. Right. And we're going to be putting this here on the negative. And we're checking the voltage drop now across the negative when we're cranking. Dropped about half a volt on the negative, which not bad. Right, so looking like it might be the brushes. Unfortunately. You just check the voltage drop across the battery when they tumble and see how much that is. Right, so we're checking the voltage drop across the battery to see the drop there. Right, so we tumbling and we ain't getting no start there. Unfortunately. Switch off and try switching back there. Alright. So what we have to do is probably hit the starter sometimes. Right, so we hit the starter solenoid a few taps and with this little spanner here we get it to start. So customer should be able to reach home. I'm going to show them how to tap the starter so they could start in the morning, please God. and carry it by a proper electrician to the service them thing to get checked out. Alright, so that is it.